A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Walaikum salam.
Walaikum assalam.
We'll start with a revision of the previous class, of what we learned in the previous class. We made sentences plural. So we had sentences in which the doer and the verb is singular. We've got to make it plural. Okay. So first sentence is he went to school. How do we say he went to school? How do we say Sadhya? He went to school or he went to the madrasa. How do we say he went?
Zahaba
Dhahaba. To school?
ilal madrasati.
Very good. Dhahaba ilal madrasati. How do we say Sadhya? He went to school? Okay, looks like we do not have Sadhya. Okay, we'll continue. Dhahaba ilal madrasati. How do we say they went to school? You'd say Dhahabu ilal madrasati. Dhahaba becomes Dhahabu. Dhahabu ilal madrasati. What's the meaning of at-talibu dhahaba ilal mat'ami? At-talibu dhahaba ilal mat'ami. What's the meaning of this sentence, Sadhya? At-talibu dhahaba ilal mat'ami.
I'm not able to hear you. Can I rejoin?
Okay. At-talibu dhahaba ilal mat'ami is the student went to the restaurant. Al-mat'am is the restaurant. The student went to the restaurant. The plural of this will be At-tullabu dhahabu ilal mat'ami. At-tullabu dhahabu ilal mat'ami. Plural of talibu is not talibuna. This is an irregular plural. Plural of at-talibu is at-tullabu. So at-talibu becomes at-tullabu. Dhahaba becomes dhahabu. At-tullabu dhahabu ilal mat'ami. Okay, what's the translation of this sentence, Satya? At-talibu jalasa fil fasli. At-talibu jalasa fil fasli. What is jalasa? Can you hear me now, Sadhya? Can anyone else hear me? Mama, मेरी आवाज आ रही है क्या?
How Mare?
अच्छा. At-talibu.
Jalasa means he sat.
He sat. Jalasa is he sat. So at-talibu jalasa fil fasli. What does the whole sentence mean?
The student sat in the class.
At-talibu is only one student. So talibun is a student. At-talibu is the student. So at-talibu jalasa fil fasli, the student sat in the class. What would be plural of this sentence? How do we say the students sat in the class?
At-tullabu jalasu fil fasli.
Very good. At-tullabu jalasu fil fasli. At-tullabu jalasu with a vav fil fasli. What's the meaning of this sentence? Al-mudarrisu kharaja min al-madrasati. Kharaja is he left. Al-mudarrisu is the teacher. Al-mudarrisu kharaja min al-madrasati is the teacher left from the class. Al-mudarrisu kharaja min al-madrasati.
From the school, no ma?
From the school. Min al-madrasati, from the school. What would be plural of this sentence? How do we say the teachers left from the school?
Al-mudarrisuna kharaju min al-madrasati.
Very good. Al-mudarrisuna kharaju min al-madrasati. Al-mudarrisuna kharaju min al-madrasati. This is past tense. So kharaja would become kharaju. Kharaju is they went out. They exited from the madrasa, from the school. Al-mudarrisu kharaja min al-madrasati. Al-mudarrisuna kharaju min al-madrasati. At-tajiru dhahaba ila suqi. What does at-tajiru dhahaba mean?
कौन भी नहीं जाके हमें 3 जने छी सो
Oh, bolo.
The merchant
the
went to the
businessman
market.
The merchant went to the market. Very good. At-tajiru dhahaba ila suqi. Can you hear me now, Sadia? अच्छा सादिया नहीं. Okay. इसका plural क्या? At-tajiru dhahaba ila suqi.
at-tujaru zahabu ila suqi.
Very good. At-tujaru dhahabu ila suqi. Abhi answer the following questions. Man haula'il awladu ahum abna'uka.
Who are these students? Are they your children?
Are they your children? No, they are my brother's children. Or no, they are the children of my brother. How do we say this? How do we say no?
La
La hum children.
abnaul akhi.
Abna'u akhi.
Okay.
Akhi is brother of mine. So children of the brother of mine would be Abna'u is children. Al-akhi. If you say al-akhi for my brother, akh is
Should be
before of, so
akhi.
it should not have al. It should only be akhi. Because before of we cannot put al. It has to be abna'u akhi. So how do we say no? They are my brother's children.
La hum abnau akhi.
Very good. La hum abna'u akhi. La hum abna'u akhi. They are my brother's children, or they are children of my brother. Man ha'ula'in nasu.
Who are these people?
Who are these people? They are pilgrims from Turkey.
Hum hujjajun fi Turkiya.
Hum hujajun. Min is from. From
Min,
is
okay.
hum hujajun
Hujjajun min Turkiya.
min Turkiya. Very good. Hum hujajun min Turkiya. Ainat tujaru.
Where are the merchants?
Where are the merchants? They went to the market.
Hum zahabu illa suqi.
Very good. Hum dhahabu ila suqi. Hum dhahabu ila asuqi. So to the market would be إلى السوق. هم ذهبوا إلى السوق. من هؤلاء الرجال?
Who are these men?
Who are these men? Rijal is men. Ar-rijalu is the men. They are guests.
Whom?
Duyufun.
Duyufun. Da'ifun is one guest. Duyufun is plural guest. So hum duyufun. Duyufun. Hum duyufun. Hum is they. Hum duyufun. They are guests. Okay, now we'll go to new lesson. Now we'll see how many answers we can get correct. Who are these women, O Maryam? This has to be Maryam. Now we are saying feminine plural. Who are these women, O Maryam? Can you hear me now, Sadia? How do we say who are these women?
Man.
Man. These? How do we say?
Haulai.
Haulai. Women?
Nisa.
Women is Nisa.
Nisa. So how do we say who are these women? Man?
Man haulai.
Al nisa'u.
An-nisa'u. Man? Haulai. An-nisa'u. Man haula'in nisa'u ya Maryamu. Man haula'in
That's the name
nisa'u.
for women, Sahib.
Sorry, Mama.
और एक नाम तुम्हें बोलते नहीं women को?
The one woman is imra'atun.
Okay.
Plural of imra'atun is nisa'un.
Okay.
Imra'atun.
Sahib, maratu is woman ke sahib? Imratun is plural sakana sahib?
No, so imra'atun is a woman, but this alif does not have the hamza down. So if there's something before imra'atun, you will go directly to the mi. So this is imra'atun, but the alif, if there's something before it, you will skip the alif.
Imra.
So
Okay.
imra'atun is woman.
Oh, itu kita lesson mo ito na ito sahib. May likod क्यों? Al maratu ako woman hai so.
So if you put something before it, al mar'atu. So the al comes before it, so you'll skip the alif here.
Acha. Acha.
This is alif which only is pronounced when this comes first. So if you just say a woman, you'll say imra'atun. But if something comes before it, to the woman, you'll skip the alif because it's not coming starting of the sentence. So I spoke to the woman would be ataqallamu ma'al mar'ati. So ma'al mar'ati.
हाँ maratu.
So but the alif is only pronounced when it comes first at the starting.
So alif lam will come, no amma?
Oh, you have alif lam. So you'll say al mar'ati. We will check. I spoke to the woman. لقد حدثت إلى المرأة. إلى المرأة. So here you have the al, and the mar'atu is not at the starting of the sentence, so you'll skip the alif. This alif is just because you have meme with the sukun. If this comes at the starting of something, you'll read the alif. Otherwise, you'll skip the alif. So if you put the al before it, it becomes al mar'atu.
Okay.
Without anything, it becomes imra'atu.
Okay. Jazakallah khair, ma.
Yeah. Who are these women, O Maryam? Is man ha'ula'in nisa'u ya Maryamu. they are my colleagues, or they are my female colleagues. How do we say they are my female colleagues? Zamilun is male colleague.
Whom?
Zamilun is male colleague. Whom is they masculine? Hunna is they feminine. So if you just have women, you'd say hunna. So Zamilun is colleague.
Zumala Uka.
Zumala'u is masculine.
My is Zumala. Okay.
So Zumala is correct for male colleagues, or male plus female would be Zumala'u. So that is Zumala'u. Female colleague is Zamilatun, and this is regular. So you'll make it like you'd say Talibatun, Talibatun. Zamilatun would be conjugated like Talibatun. Zamilatun is one female colleague. Or female colleagues. Zamilatun. How do we say female colleagues? It would be Zamilatun. Like Talibatun becomes Talibatun. Tobibatun, a female doctor, becomes Tobibatun. Mudarrisatun. Mudarrisatun is a female teacher. It becomes Mudarrisatun. Same way here. Zamilatun would become Zamilatun. Most female plurals, where you see the tun, it becomes atun. In most cases, there are some exceptions. In masculine, there are more exceptions. Like Talibun becomes Tullabun, but Talibatun becomes Talibatun. So most female would still follow the pattern. Masculine, in a lot of cases, it will change. Like we see Imra'atun becomes Nisa'un. It does not become Imra'atun, it becomes Nisa'un. Female exceptions are relatively lesser. In most cases, it would become Atun. Nisa'un. So here, Zamilatun is female colleagues. So how will we say they are my female colleagues?
Hunna Zamilatun. Zamilati.
Very good. Hunna Zamilati. Hunna Zamilati. Hunna Zamilatun would be their colleagues. So they are just general colleagues. My colleagues would be Zamilati. Hunna Zamilati. They are my colleagues. Are they your sisters?
Hal hum
Hunna.
ikhwati. Akhwati.
So here it
Hal
is
hum
sisters.
akhwati amma.
Here it is sisters, so it will be Hunna.
Hal hunna.
Hunna. Sisters is Akhawati.
Akhwatika.
Akhawatun is sister, so it will be Akhawatuka.
Ika.
Akhawatuki.
Akhwatika.
Or Akhawatuki, depending on whom you're speaking to. So your sisters, so if it is masculine, let's say Hal Hunna Akhawatuka. If it is female whom you're speaking to, it will be Hal Hunna Akhawatuki.
Akhwat.
Or you can add the question in front of this verb. So you can say Akhawatuki Hunna. Akhawatuki Hunna. Are they your sisters? So you can change the order. So Akhawatuki Hunna. Are they your sisters? So how do we say brother? Brother is Akhun. Sister? Sister is ukhtun. What is brothers? What is plural of akhun?
إخوة.
Ikhwatun. So ikhwatun is brothers. I think it's this one. So ikhwatun is brothers. And what is plural of ukhtun?
أخوات.
Akhawatun. 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 That's plural of ukhtun. So here it is akhawatuki, your sisters. Akhawatuki. So how do we say they are they your sisters?
Ahunna akhawatuka.
Ahunna akhawatuka or ahunna akhawatuki. Or you can also flip the order of the words. So you can also say akhawatuki hunna.
Okay.
Akhawatuki hunna. How do we say, easy question, how do we say yes, they are my sisters?
Naam hum akhawati.
Very good. Naam, hum would be brothers. Hum would mean there's at least one masculine.
Okay, hunna.
Naam, hunna, akhawati. Naam, hunna, akhawati. Yes, they are my sisters. These are my brothers and those are my friends.
Haulai ikhwati, is it?
Haulai ikhwati, they are my brothers.
Wa those
is ulaika, plural of dhalika.
ulaika
Ulaika. Friend is Sadiq.
sadiqi.
Sadiqi would be my friend. Sadiqun is a friend. Plural of Sadiq is asdiqa.
Asdiqai.
Asdiqaun is friends. Ulaika asdiqai. Haulai ikhwati wa ulaika asdiqai. These are my brothers, ikhwati wa ulaika, and those are asdiqai. Haulai ikhwati wa ulaika asdiqai. How will we say these boys are my brothers and those men are my friends? So how will we say, for instead of these boys or these are my brothers, we say these boys are my brothers and those are my friends. You say those men are my friends. It's very easy. So haulai, this has to be this hamza. Haulai, how do we say the boys?
أولاد क्या
Awladu or al-fityatu. So fityatu is young man.
youth पे जाते हैं साहब.
Yes.
yeah.
So al-fityatu. So haula al-fityatu will become these boys. Al-fityatu is boys. The boys. I put haula before it becomes these boys. Haula al-fityatu ikhwati, my brothers. Wa ulaika ar-rijalu. Wa ulaika ar-rijalu asdiqai, are my friends. So you just have to put al-fityatu, which becomes the subject. So haula al-fityatu becomes these boys, and ulaika rijalu becomes those men. Ulaika rijalu. So this has to be ulaika. Haula'il fityatu ikhwati wa ula'ika rijalu asdiqai. These boys are my brothers and those men are my friends. So now who can give the full answer with the simplified version? These are my brothers and those are my friends. Haula'i ikhwati wa ula'ika asdiqai. Haula'i ikhwati wa ulaika asdiqai. These are my brothers and those are my friends. Who are those tall men? You have to say who are those
Man
men?
ulaika
Man ulaika.
tawilu, no? Tall.
Tiwalu
Tawilun nas.
Tiwalu ni. Rijalu tiwalu. The adjective should come at the end, no?
Right.
Man ulaika ar-rijalu at-tiwalu.
Man ulaika ar-rijalu.
Yes.
At-tiwalu. Man ulaika rijalu tiwalu. Who are those tall men? Man ulaika rijalu tiwalu. Okay, so ulaika does not have the proper alif after lam. So it has to be like this. Man ulaika rijalu tiwalu. Who are those tall men? Let us see if we remember the previous answer. These are my brothers and those are my friends. How do we translate? These are my brothers and those are my friends. Haula'i ikhwati wa ulaika
asdiqai.
asdiqai. Haula'i ikhwati wa ulaika asdiqai. These are my brothers and those are my friends. Who are those tall men?
Man ulaika ar-rijalu at-tiwalu.
Man ulaika rijalu tiwalu. Man ulaika rijalu tiwalu. Who are those ladies? How do we say who are those ladies?
Man ulaika nisa'u. An-nisa'u.
An-nisa'u. Very, very good. Very easy. Man ulaika nisa'u. So it is man ulaika an-nisa'u. So who are those? Would be man ulaika. An-nisa'u, if you put al after ulaika, it gets added. So who are those? Ladies would be man ulaika nisa'u. How would we say who are those people?
Nasu. Man ulaika nasu.
Man ulaikan nasu. So ulaikan nisa'u is those ladies. Ulaikan nasu is those people. How do we say those men?
الرجال.
Ulaika rijalu. Ulaika rijalu is those men. Ar rijalu is the men. Ulaika rijalu, those men. They are mothers of the female students. So we have mothers before of. We have to take umun and make it plural. And after of, we have female students. How do I say they are mothers of the female students?
hunna شلون صحيح hunna.
Right. So it is female plural. It will be hunna. They would be hunna.
أمها क्या plural कैसा है?
Hunna
plural कैसा है?
is mother.
हाँ.
Ummun.
plural صحيح.
Ummahatun.
أمهات.
This is another irregular plural. So ummahatun is mothers.
أمهاتو बोलना नहीं أمهات.
Ummahatu, because it is before of, we will remove the al. So ummahatu
طالبات.
ummahatu
طالبات.
talibatun. So we have the female students, which is after of. So after of, we need to have kasra.
या तिन अच्छा अच्छा. طالبات. बातिन नहीं है बा नहीं.
Talibatin. So hunna ummahatu talibatin is they are mothers of female students. If I want to say the female students, I'd say al at talibati. And this is after of. So after of, al is allowed. After of, the only requirement is have kasra. That is the rule after of. So ummahatu talibati is they are mothers of the female students. A talibati or talibatin would be female students. So talibatun is one female student. Talibatun is female students. Here it is after of. So we'll change the dhamma into kasra. Talibatun. So what is talibatun?
female students.
Female students. What is at-talibatu? The female students. This becomes definite. At-talibatu. So how do we say they are mothers of the female students?
hunna ummahatu talibat al-talibati.
Very good. Hunna ummahatu talibati. Hunna ummahatu talibati. Hunna is the ummahatu. We don't put the un. We put only ummahatu because it is before of. Ummahatu is mothers. At talibati, the female students. They are mothers of the female students. Hunna ummahatu talibati. How do we say are those ladies your maternal aunts, O Maryam?
Hal ulaika
Hal ulaika
nisaun
an-nisa'u, because the ladies would become those ladies. So hal ulaikan nisa'u. Al nisa'u. So maternal uncle is khalun and maternal aunt is khalatun. So, khalatun. So one maternal aunt is khalatun. How do we say many maternal aunts? Say khalatun. Like tolibatun, tolibatun, tobibatun, tobibatun. This also follows the same pattern. So khalatun becomes khalatun. So are those ladies is hal ulaikan nisa'u. How do we say your maternal aunts?
Khalatuka.
Kalati.
Khalatuka.
Khalatuki because it is Maryam. So
Yeah, tuki.
ki. So hal haula'in nisa'u khalatuki ya Maryamu. Hal or a ulaikan nisa'u khalatuki ya Maryamu. How do we say no? They are my paternal aunts. So paternal uncle is ammun. Amun is chacha or paternal uncle. How do we say paternal aunt? Paternal aunt is ammatun. So ammatun is paternal aunt. What would be plural of ammatun?
Ammatun.
Ammatun. These are follow the same pattern. Like khalatun becomes khalatun, ammatun becomes ammatun. How do we say my paternal aunt?
Amati.
Ammati. Now how do we say the full sentence? No, they are my paternal aunts.
La.
La punna.
Punna.
Ammat.
Amati.
Ammati, very good. La hunna ammati. Very easy. La, no. Hunna, they, because this is they, feminine plural. La hunna ammati. They are my maternal aunts. How do we say, are those ladies your maternal aunts, O Maryam?
Al hunna khalatik. Oh, Maryam.
Hal hunna would be are they. Hal hunna khala tuki ya Maryamu. So those ladies here, if I say hunna, what would be they? Are they your maternal aunts, O Maryam? If I want to say those ladies, I'd say
Ulaika.
Ulaika an-nisa'u. Hal ulaika an-nisa'u khalatuki ya Maryamu. Hal ulaika an-nisa'u khalatuki ya Maryamu. So it is a or hal. Hal ulaika an-nisa'u khalatuki ya Maryamu.
My maternal aunt को तो कैसे आ सकते वो
So
मैं यहाँ तो कैसे आ सकते
khalati. To be khalati. Khala
की नहीं आएगा okay
to ki. So ki would become e, would become ya. Khalati would be my maternal aunts. Khalatuki are your maternal aunts. Khala to who would be his maternal aunts.
yeah
So the ka will change.
that's kind of
Oh, yeah. Now, how do we say my paternal aunts?
Ammati.
Ammati. Ammati is one paternal aunt. Ammati with the extra alif is my paternal aunts. Ammati. No, they are my paternal aunts.
La hunna ammati.
Ammati. Very good. La hunna ammati. No, they are my paternal aunts. La hunna ammati. These are doctors and those are engineers. Masculine. How do we say, no, switching just to masculine, how do we say these are doctors and those are engineers?
Haulai.
Haulai.
Doctor.
Doctors is atibba'u.
Hmm.
Haula'i atibba'u. Plural of tabib is atibba'u. It is an irregular plural. Like talib, talibun is one student. Atibba, so talibun is a student. Tullabun is students, plural. Doctor is tabib, plural. Tabib is atibba'u. It is irregular pattern.
Like friend, asdiqai.
Like astiqa'un. So sadiqun is a friend. Astiqa'un is friends. So these are doctors. Is haula'i atibba'u, and those are engineers. How do I say those are engineers? Engineers is regular, like Muslimuna. Engineers will follow the same pattern.
Dosa ulaika.
وأولئك مهندسون.
Muhandisuna, very good. So how do we say the full answer? These are doctors and those are engineers.
هؤلاء أطباء وأولئك مهندسون.
Very good. Haula'i atibba'u wa ulaika muhandisuna. Haula'i atibba'u wa ulaika muhandisuna. So atibba'u is irregular. Tabibun becomes atibba'u, but muhandisun becomes muhandisuna. It is a regular plural. These are doctors and those are engineers. Haula'i atibba'u wa ulaika muhandisuna. Who are those men?
من أولئك الرجال.
Very good. Who are those men? Man ulaika rijalu. Man ulaika rijalu. Who are those men? How do we say who are these men?
هؤلاء. من هؤلاء
Man haula'i rijalu.
الرجال.
Man haula'i are rijalu. It has to have al. Only then it merges with the ulaika, because ulaika means those. It is definite. Those men. It is not any men, but it is those men. Ar rijalu is the men. Ulaika rijalu is those men. So it has to be definite. Ar rijalu is the men. These men will be
هؤلاء الرجال.
haula'i rijalu. Haula'i rijalu is these men. They are ministers.
Ministers, we don't know the words.
Yes. So wazirun
Wazir.
is minister. And plural of wazirun is, I think, wuzara'u. It has to be wu. So they are ministers. They is, now this is masculine. So it will be hum. Hum wuzara'u. Wuzara'u is plural wazir. They are ministers. Hum wuzara'u. How will we say they are ministers of India? Or they are Indian ministers?
Hum bazira'u.
وزراء من إنديا.
Hindi.
من هندي.
Right.
من الهندي. من الهندي.
Minal Hindi. They are ministers from India. So hum wuzara'u minal Hind, or ministers of India. If I say, let us see with Google what they would say, but I would say ministers of India. So we would say wuzara'u Ra'u al-Hindi.
الهندي. الهند.
Al-Hindi. Because after off, we'll put the kasra.
Yeah.
Or maybe they'll treat Indian like an adjective. So maybe Google will say, no, it has to be hum, al, or buzara'un. And they might treat India like an adjective, but we'll see what Google has to say. So, innahum or hum, buzara'u hunudun. So, hunudun is plural of Hindiyun. So it's treating it like an adjective. So Google says which. In some cases, Google doesn't give you the perfect classical answer, gives you more like the modern spoken answer. So Google says, hum wuzara'u.
innahum कैसा बोलते सर?
Sorry, Nayanti?
Why did they wrote in whom or innahum? What is that?
Innahum is for sure. So innal insana lafi khus. So inna means for sure.
Okay.
So they just put an inna just for extra emphasis. So hum wuzara'u. Hindiyun is adjective one Indian. Hunudun is adjective many Indians. So they're saying it has to be hum wuzara'u hunudun. They are Indian ministers. So they're saying this is adjective. This is not from India or this is not of India. But if I say ministers from India, it will be Minal Hindi. The ministers from India is hum wuzara'u Minal Hindi. So they put min from India. Okay, let's do one more quick recap of an old lesson. Let me pick up the first lesson of this chapter. This one should be easy because this is an easier version of today's lesson. How do we say, who are these tall young men, O Ali? You have to say, who are these young men tall? The adjective will come later. Who are these young men tall, O Ali?
Man haulai fityatul tiwalu ya aliyu.
Very good. Man haula'il fityatu tiwalu ya aliyu. To be man haula'il fityatu. These young men. Man haula'il fityatu. Attiwalu. This is adjective. This is tall. Man haula'il fityatu. Attiwalu ya aliyu. Man haula'il fityatu tiwalu ya aliyu. Who are these tall young men? O Ali. They are new students.
Hum tullabun jududun.
Very good. Hum tullabun jududun. Hum tullabun is they are students. New comes later, which is jududun. What is singular of jududun? Jadidun.
Jadidu.
Jadidun would be used for one. Jududun is plural. Like hunudun is many Indians, plural. Here it is jududun. And like Hindiyun would be one Indian. Singular of jududun is jadidun. Jadidun. Hum tullabun jududun. They are new students. From where are they?
Min aina hum.
Whom?
Very good. Min aina hum. They are from America.
Whom minal America.
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 America does not have al.
Yeah. Whom min America.
Hum min America. Hum min America. Are they your colleagues? This is masculine colleagues. Are they your colleagues?
Hal hum zumalayuka. Zumalayuka. नहीं सकते?
Hal hum zumala'uka.
Uka.
Hal hum zumala'uka. Are they your colleagues? Yes, they are my colleagues. They are from my class.
Na'am hum zumala'i. Hum fi fasli.
Naam hum zumala'i. Yes, they are my colleagues. They are from my class. Hum firstly is my class. How do we say from?
Min
Min. Hum min firstly.
fasli.
Naam hum zumala'i. Earlier we saw they are in my class, but then I changed it to they are from my class. So now it will become hum min firstly. They are from my class. Naam hum zumala'i. Hum min fasli. Yes, they are my colleagues. They are from my class. Are they hardworking?
هل
whom
هم مستهدون هل هم مستهدون
Mujtahidun with the Jim, Mujtahidun is one hardworking person.
مستهدون
Mujtahidun. How would we say Muhammad is a hardworking student?
Muhammad mujtahidatun.
plural
Muhammad is a hardworking student. We'll say Muhammad is a student hardworking. That is the order in which you will write it.
Muhammad talibun mujtahidatun.
مستهدون مستهدون female होता है مستهدون
So what is the answer?
محمد
Muhammad talibun mujtahidun.
Very good. So it is Muhammadun Talibun Mujtahid. I think this has to be ha Mujtahid. Muhammadun Talibun Mujtahidun. Muhammad is a student hardworking. But Muhammad is a hardworking student. Are they hardworking? Ahum Mujtahiduna. Mujtahidun is one person hardworking. Mujtahiduna is many people, many hardworking people. Ahum Mujtahiduna. How will we say, are they hardworking students? You have to say, are they students hardworking?
هم طلاب مستهدون
Very good. Correct. Ahum Tullabun is, are they students? And
الطلاب बनेगा क्या नहीं ना
Ahum
Tullabu बोला
Mujtahidun. They are hardworking students will be Hum Tullabun Mujtahidun.
तुल्लाबन बोले तो बस साकिब अतुल्लाबु बोलने की जरूरत नहीं ना
नहीं तो this has to be
डेफिनेट आएगा साकिब डेफिनेट आएगा कि
नहीं definitely नहीं. Are they hardworking? Ahum Tullabun Mujtahidun.
ओके he she देखो डेफिनेट नहीं कि साकिब
that
these
is-
those आए तो
he is-
डेफिनेट
He is definite, so Hum is definite, but they are students hardworking.
ही डेफिनेट क्या साकिब मैं मेरे दिमाग में क्या मैं ऐसा तुम बोल के देते हो this that these those ये चार ही डेफिनेट he is somebody who is not in front of us he she they
Speaking about someone particular. If you say
he अच्छा
or Muhammad
Oh.
or Khadija, they are also definite
फिर देखो क्या साकिब मैं बोले नहीं डेफिनेट
because this is detail. So Hum, are they hardworking students?
Mm.
You have to break. Only then you put the R.
बोलो साकिब I didn't get you
So
are
I
they
will say
hardworking
Muhammadun
student?
Talibun. Muhammad student. There's a break, so you put is. Muhammad is a student.
Yeah.
So you have this break. So Muhammadun is definite. Talibun is
No,
not definite.
I understood. I understood.
Muhammadun Talibun
Mm.
Mujtahidun. So here are they hardworking? So in plural. So Muhammadun is definite. If I say they are hardworking, I put whom is definite, but they are hardworking. So to complete the sentence, I need to have a break between whom and Mujtahidun or Tullabun. So I'll have the break and then I'll put about them. They are Tullabun Mujtahidun. Hum Tullabun Mujtahidun. With this or those, I can combine. So I can say those hardworking students. In that case, I would say Ulaika At-Tullabu This would be al. So al mujtahiduna. So this is ulaika. Ulaika at-tullabu al-mujtahiduna, but all of this is the subject because I've combined all of this to ulaika. There's no break. So it becomes those hardworking students. This is subject, like Muhammadun, like whom. All of this becomes subject. I need to say something about them. All of this is just subject. So those hardworking students is not a sentence. If I say ulaika at-tullabu al-mujtahiduna, something if I tell about them, if I tell fil firstly, fi al firstly, fi al firstly is a different part of the sentence. It means in the school. Ulaika is connected to at-tullabu. This is connected to al-mujtahiduna because this is adjective. So this is how al-mujtahiduna. So all of this become the subject. Ulaika at-tullabu al-mujtahiduna because all of them are connected.
Okay, sir.
Whereas here it is just whom. Whom is definite. It is not connected to tullabun mujtahid. So you say they are students hardworking, or they are hardworking students. Hum tullabun mujtahidun.
Jazakallah khair.
And with ulaika, haulai, you can put al, you can combine, but all of this becomes the subject. You need to say something about the subject to complete the sentence.
Okay.
Okay, last one or two questions and then we close. Yes, they are hardworking.
Nam hum mujtahiduna.
Naam hum mujtahidun. Yes, they are hardworking. Again, whom is definite? They are those people. Mujtahiduna is indefinite. There's no al. They are hardworking. There's a break. So you say they are hardworking and it completes the sentence. What are their names? What are their names?
Ma asma'uhum.
Very good. Ma asma'uhum. Ma asma'u. What are names? Asma'uhum. What are names of theirs? Asma'uhum. What are names of theirs? Their names are Yasir, Zakaria, Musa, and Abdullah. Say Asma'uhum, Yasirun, wa Zakaria, wa Musa, wa Abdullah. Asma'uhum is their names are Yasirun, wa Zakaria, wa Musa, wa Abdullah.
Abdullah ki kar gaya tha Saqib.
Abdullahi. So this is Abd of Allah. So Abdullahi is following the of rule. So Abd is slave of Allah, Abdullahi. So
Even though the name is Abdullah, we should write Abdullahi only in Arabic.
Abdullahi, but in today's Arabic they skip all of these vowels. So they make it easy and they go away from the pure Arabic to something which is easy for everyone to learn. So they just say Abdullah, but actually it should be Abdullahi because this is after all. Like we will say Yasirun in modern Arabic and the impure Arabic they just say Yasir. Yasir, Musa, Abdullah. They'll skip all of the ending vowels. Where is Mustafa and his friends? Mustafa will be Al-Mustafa because that's how it is. Where is Mustafa and his friends?
Aina Mustafa
Al Mustafa. Asdikau.
Who?
Very good. Aina Al-Mustafa wa Asdiqa'uhu. Aina Al-Mustafa wa Asdiqa'uhu. Where is Mustafa and his friends? So Asdiqa'uhu is friends of his. Who is his? Where is Mustafa and friends of his? Aina Al-Mustafa wa Asdiqa'uhu. They went to the restaurant.
Hum zahaba illal mat'ami.
Hum
Mat'ama.
ila.
Who?
So ilal mat'ami. So after ila you'll have mat'ami.
Mat'ami. Yeah.
Ilal mat'ami. But hum dhahaba would be they he went. Dhahaba is he went.
Hum zahabu.
Dahabu. So hum dahabu or dahabu. Dahabu by default is they went. It already has hum. So you can either say hum dahabu ilal mat'ami or simply dahabu ilal mat'ami. Dahabu ilal mat'ami. And with that we complete this chapter, the chapter number 13 in the Madina book, which is actually a big chapter because you have Muslimun, Muslimuna, Muslimatun, Muslimatun, and we have all of the broken forms. So we have Sadiqun. What is plural of Sadiqun?
Asdikau.
Asdiqau. And what would be plural of Talibun?
Tullabun.
Tullabun. And it has all of the feminine plurals. Like what would be plural of Imra'atun, a woman?
Nisa.
Nisa.
An-
So this
Nisa.
is a big chapter, but the way to learn it is with lot of practice. The way to learn it is with lot of practice like this, by taking the singular, making the plural, making sentences. These irregular forms become easy, and with practice, like how we say child, children, in Arabic also it will come automatically. So that's how you learn plurals. So very well done, Nahid Ante, Mama. So I was expecting we'll only do half of the new lesson, but we were very fast. So we were able to complete all of the new words. Alhamdulillah.
Jazakallah khair.
That's
Last class thing you didn't send, no?
I just sent it no, Nahid Ante. I got
Okay.
late, so I sent it no. We can go through both recordings together, inshallah.
Acha, inshallah. Jazakallah khair.
Yeah, we'll close the class.
Send this recording also, Amma, so we can
Come on, inshallah.
practice a little.
Come on, inshallah.
Ji.
Subhanallah wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Ma salama.
Jazakallah
salama.
khair, Amma.
Wa iyyakum.
Ma salama.
Ma salama.